Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Elevate with Dr. Khizer Ahmed. Today I'll tell you some top hashtags which can boost your Instagram reach. Very important. I'll give you with examples. So follow this. Why does hashtag matter? So hashtag helps you to increase the discoverability, boosting the engagement and connect with your target audience. Let it be on Instagram or on Facebook. This is for both the ways. Consider this for YouTube also. So some popular hashtag categories with examples I'll give you. Some are trendings, for example, hashtag viral trending now. For your niche, if you're a fitness trainer, fitness tips, so they are different. You can go through the previous slide. So some pro tips for using hashtag is use a mix of popular, niche and branded hashtags. Limit to 20 to 30 hashtags per post, don't go more than that. So you can start using hashtags today. Strategic use of hashtags can transform your Instagram reach. So experiment, analyze and optimize your hashtag strategy for success. Done. So if you like this video, please comment on this, share this video and like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.